Brenda! We're here! Woo! Okay, hi Melissa.
That's a bit too high energy.
How are you? Oh! Allison, just standing there.
Look at this epic chair that's broken.
Is it good?
It is delicious.
This fireplace. Allison, do you know?
Who did it?
Yeah.
I believe it was Chuck's dad and mom.
Okay.
That's
Lindsay! The ball's right there.
Around here, everything is connections.
Right.
Like, that man has more connections.
Oh, there's two!
So it's not
Cool. Hey, who knows where your chung is?
I don't know. It's
Where's your chunk? Where are the bathrooms?
Sarah.
Over on this side. It's not very clean. You need something like soap or toilet paper.
Sneaking into the girls' room. Sarah's not even here. Wow. Okay.
Where's your chunk?
Probably in the washroom. Ah!
No, they don't really have tails.
That kind of creeps me out.
It's a goose.
It's just weird.
Okay, that's weird. Who likes... Oops.
Yikes, eyes are still in it.
Yeah.
Sarah.
You guys can set up the ping pong table if you want to play ping pong.
Are
I
you
brought
sure?
the clip. And there's
I want to play all